Welcome back to Loader Parts Source. Today we're going to be changing an alternator belt on this T300 Bobcat. Pretty straightforward repair. It's in a good location too, so that helps. But we're just going to get started here, and hope you guys like it. As you can see, the alternator's really in the open here. Belt's a little dry rotted, so we're going to just go ahead and throw a new one on here. Basically one 10mm bolt back here takes care of that. And we got a 1/2-inch bolt up top here. That is going to be our adjustment nut. It falls away like that. Just weave this one out of here. There that is, and you can see in the video here we're getting some cracks in there. Just good preventive maintenance to change your belts every now and then. We have our new belt here. We do offer these belts here at LPS. We cover a lot of major brands. I think we're good on our length. There first. Okay. Want to make sure it's in all the pulleys good. You want to check it. You want probably about 1/4 inch of tension or of play right there. Tighten that top one. Should hold it. And just go back here. Tighten this and it should secure it real well. And just check your tension again, make sure you're good and tight. Around all the pulleys. And that about does it. So, real easy repair. It just takes a few minutes to make sure you avoid any future breakdowns. Check us out at LPS for any of the parts you need for your skid loader machines. Thank you very much.